Cocky as fuck, everything about me popping. Got face, I got body, you name it, I got it. Cocky as fuck, bitch, you know I'm conceited. Yo hoe wanna be me, yo nigga want eat it. Cocky as.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I am doing a review on Texture ID. I already washed my hair. Well, first things first. You're new here? Hi, thank you for clicking on my video and watching me for the first time. Hope you become a family member and hit the subscribe button wherever it is for you. And watch every video of mine. You won't regret it. And if you're an old-time subscriber, thank you. I appreciate you. Anywho, I have already washed my hair. It was pretty dirty. I didn't wash it for like 2 weeks or so. So yeah. Their shampoo smells like cologne. It's cologne, like men's cologne. And it's giving me a headache a little bit, so it is pretty strong. So it is a curl clarifying shampoo with honey and a sulfate-free clarifying cleanser. So it's for all hair types 1, 2, 3, 4. It went on smooth and very. It went on good. Let's just say that it went on good. It cleansed my hair for sure. But bruh, my hair is dry. Do you see me shine? Does it have shine? It has a little bit of shine. But it was defining my curls a little bit. It defined the back a little bit. But yeah, let's try this. Let me stop talking. Oh yeah, it didn't have any slip to it for my hair, for me to detangle my hair. So I definitely was not about to try. So let's see if the deep conditioner will do it. Ouch. You get my strands down? What? Let's pour some water and oh shit. Smell like old nuts is not the best smell. Like makeup, that's what it smells like eyeshadow and lipstick, I want to say, but oh, that thing thick, boy, that thing thick. I didn't even read the directions. Let's see, the deep treatment mask. Sweet almond oil, wheat protein plus honey restores strength and hydration. Repair dry, frizzy curls with this formula designed to improve porosity and manageability. Honey and sweet almond oil helps retain the moisture the curls need to flourish. Okay. So the wheat protein is supposed to help with the hair's elasticity to reduce breakage. I need that. Come on, talk to me. And the results are hydrated, soft, defined curls. Apply a liberal amount to wet hair. Let's see, paying extra attention to the ends. Leave on for 7 to 10 minutes. Can be used with hooded dryer or steamer. Plastic cap optional. Rinse well. I don't know which one I want to do. If I want to do the hooded dryer or if I want to do the steamer. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do the hooded dryer because less work. Oh, okay. Okay. That's nail play. I mean, it feels good going on. Oh God, no wonder why I got some breakage. I can't separate my hair like I'm supposed to. I need to wet my hair some more before I much better. I need to delete stuff off my thing. Got 14 minutes. Oh, okay. Okay. The slip on this is good. Let's try. It feels good, but we're gonna see once it washes out. Look at the fine, okay. Come through. Come through, sis. Let me finish the rest of my hair and I'll be back. Bye. Okay, so just got done. What was I doing? Oh yeah, deep conditioner. I deep conditioned for about 13 minutes. It got too hot. It's too hot. But look at this, it feels so good. It feels moisturizing. Feels good. I'm gonna wash this out and hopefully it still feels good. We're gonna see. Alright. Okay, so I've rinsed it out, like I said, and let it dry up a little bit. So, oops. It feels pretty good. Hair's big. Yep. So now I'm gonna go in with the Intense Moisturizing Leave-In and the styling cream for right now. And then I'm gonna style my hair in a different video. So if you want to see that, stay tuned for the next video and see how that goes. Let's see. This promotes moisture and softness. This has aloe vera extract and coconut oil for wavy to coily hair. So from 2, 3, and 4. Let's see what it says. A soothing balance of aloe vera extract and coconut oil helps hair retain moisture and softness while sealing the cuticle layer to help block out humidity causing frizz. Honey added to nurture and promote healthy hair. For loose curl patterns, use alone to soften and define. For tight curl patterns, use under Texture ID styling cream. Use on blow dry hair to moisturize and refresh curls daily. But anyways, I'm gonna go in with this first. Base section. I don't know what this smells like. not a nice smell, but it kind of smells like the deep conditioner. Like old people. Everything smells like old people to me though. Oh, this has a lot of shine though. And then the styling cream. This one has cocoa butter and shea butter. Provides medium hold while retaining moisture and elasticity. Let's see, ideal for, this is for curly to coily hair types, so 3 and 4. And then let's see, ideal for curls that need extra control and conditioning. This ultra rich whipped cream is enhanced with coconut oil, cocoa butter, shea butter, and wheat protein. Yeah, this thing stinks too. Ooh, that thing thick, look at that. It's like a pudding. I'll leave that by itself and see how moisturizing it is once I do my styling. Okay, so I'm gonna continue on with the rest of my hair and then come back. Okay, so I finished, I guess, moisturizing my hair with the leave-in conditioner and the styling cream. So, I guess, sorry if you hear shit moving in the background, it's my husband. But anyways, thoughts on it. The deep conditioner is by far my favorite. My second favorite would have to be the leave-in. Those two are very moisturizing. The styling cream is okay. It's not as moisturizing as I thought it would be. But this leave-in and the deep conditioner, life. I give them 10, that's strong, 8 out of 10. Styling cream, I'll give it 6.5 out of 10. The shampoo, it cleanses, but I'll give it a 6 because it said it was supposed to give moisture, but it didn't. Why is my lip red? Anyways. Yeah, so I'm done with this video. If you want to see me style my hair, click on the next video. That should be up whenever it's up. Turn your notifications on to find out when it comes out. But yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye.
Hey, cocky as fuck, everything about me popping. Got face, I got body, you name it, I got it. Cocky